These are the last of the books. Everything else has, well, and I have a box in the front in the living room. That's it. Oh, and I got a little bit back there. That's it. Ah, it's almost done. Good morning. Day 3. The temperature has dropped in the last couple days, and I feel it because the first day it happens, I always have a bad cold. I don't know what it is. I am bringing in a chart stand. This could pose a problem. We were told not to bring in any large furniture. There's one in the classroom, which if you followed me yesterday, I did not even upload yesterday. But yesterday I took the one that existed in the classroom out because A, it was too big. It was usable for one side only. So I took it downstairs where the other ones were. There were probably 4 or 5 other ones. So I'm bringing this one in. I'm sure a comment will be made. We'll see what happens. Might be bringing it back home. You never know. Today we're going to put up things today. We'll see how well we do because someone's not with me to help me. That's okay. I've done many years without help. I'm also not stopping at Starbucks because I can't justify waiting 15 minutes in line, sometimes 20. Once in a while I'll do it, but not when... So we are not allowed kettles in the classroom either. So I'm going to boil water in the staff room again, and staff room we're only allowed 5 or 6 people in there at one time. I don't know how this is going to work. We'll catch you in a few minutes. I'll quickly show you what I did, like I said, that I didn't film yesterday. If you remember yesterday, those desks all had stuff on them. There's a lot of paper here. I'm going to go down to the art room and deliver this all back because I don't use the big stuff. I do use it, but for art projects. I don't keep it in the classroom. But all the stuff that was on there and the books that were on there have all gone up. Up there, I'm going to keep that side for the teacher who owns this room, or belongs to. I'm going to put all her stuff up there, and then that still gives me that one if I need it. I'll probably put extra student supplies, extra student supplies up there. But so the plan today is I'm going to start with the art room, getting those, whatever, my hair's still wet, it's showered. I'm going to start with the art room, and then I laminated, as you saw, the clock. I only put the O clock and the half past up first. I just leave those, and then this is a split class, the quarters will show up. That's all I'll do. I won't put all the 5s, they don't need it. Then I will do the clock, and then I will start papering the bulletin board over there and the bulletin boards above the student cubbies, those ones over there. I'm going to put the alphabet, actually here, you can see my list. I'm going to do the alphabet up there. I do have numbers for down there, and then if I have time at that point, I'll start the calendar. I do have a Zoom meeting I think it's at 4, but I want to make sure I get out of here at 3 because I forgot the last one. I had a Zoom meeting on Monday. Totally forgot about it. It didn't even cross my mind all day. And I'm also going to boil water, and maybe I'll talk to the principal about my chart stand. I'd rather ask for permission than ask for forgiveness. I know it's a dicey thing. Okay, we'll talk to you later. I have got, things are rolling along, and I noticed the battery's dying again. Bah! I have to get a new battery. I'll have to buy a second battery, I think. Okay, so the clock is set up. The bulletin boards are not papered, but I just, clock is set up. Alphabet is up. Work order is emailed. Art paper is away. Half of that's done. So I'll do the bulletin boards. They didn't have a lot of paper, so I picked a paler blue. Favorite tool. favorite tool. It not only removes them, it's magnetic. If you saw I'll put a link to my favorite purchases video I made about a month ago, I guess. Fun stuff. Okay, the battery charged just in time for me to go. I'm leaving. It's just after quarter after 2-ish, almost quarter after 2. I will give you a tour of the room so far. It's cleaning up. It's cleaner. Okay, so that's my desk so far. I'm still playing with whether to move the desk to the back wall and move the shelving over there. I don't know. Mainly because that cart is just kind of blocking a little bit of the whiteboard, but we'll see. For now, the other thing is, one of the other teachers just gave me this table, which I could put the the projector on and move it to the middle of the room. That's a possibility as well. Looks like the legs can be moved, which would be great. And then it gives me a little, I like to have a little table near me. The desk, I thought I'll have the desk, beside the whiteboard, and then things are accessible. That table might work as well. So playing with that idea. Put the alphabet up there, and as you saw, that was done with the blue sticky stuff. Again, being here only for the year, don't need to put it up permanently, and blue sticky stuff doesn't take paint off. Not that I found anyways. Brought in my cart. So I forgot the hooks for the chart paper, so I will do that. But the paper on this is going to be the calendar area. Now those months are in the wrong spot. I think I'm missing 2 more things. So I got to figure out, I haven't stapled or put any of that down permanently. I'm just kind of figuring out where everything's going to go. I'm missing a 100 chart, because we always count. I am missing a pig, because we count money. I think that's it. I think I'm just missing the 2. Missing a couple days over there on that, but I don't know where, I think they're in my box somewhere. I've seen them. I just don't know where they are. The months I normally do down, it's always the kid's height. I can bring those actually down there, and then I could put the months down. Still figuring that out. Okay, the top counter has been wiped. I put the art paper by color in there. You can't quite see it because of the light. That's a little bit better. Put the clock up, which you saw. That's going to have the math books on it. There's going to be a little table for the kids to work at. Or 30 hooks. And then the sink's right there. I have round tables, and there are 5, plus there's a smaller one which I might have a calm down area over here because it looks like all this has to go. And then back to my area. So they're talking again about a blended teacher. They really don't know the percentage of how many families, now that they're given the choice, will go remote learning. Some numbers are saying up to half, which would affect a lot of us because this is a big school. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I'm gonna put up things for tomorrow because I will be here. I'm here all week. I'm here all week. Bulletin board. I still got to do the calendar. The cubbies have now been done. Sink area I'll leave. Okay, so Thursday calendar. I need to do the jobs. Classroom jobs. I think I know where I'm going to put it, but I need stuff. Classroom jobs. Oh, what else can I do? Oh, I need to start prepping the prep classroom library. Whoops, can't even see that. Prep library. And we will clean up manipulatives because they are our dog's breakfast. Some dogs have nice breakfast. What am I talking about? Okay, I think if I get all that done, that'll be all I need to, that'll take me today. So I need to bring the clips for the chart stand. I can bring my math books in. Actually, no, I gotta wipe down. I gotta wipe down book display because there is stuff in that display. Okay, that's all I'm doing. It's almost 2:30. I'm getting out of here. I actually have to go pick up a couple groceries. We are having a family birthday tonight. Now, I can't remember if I shared this or not. Hang on a second. I'm just gonna move this. My niece's boyfriend's brother came in contact with someone with COVID on the weekend, and then that brother came in contact with my niece and her boyfriend on Sunday night, and then they went to my niece's house. He stayed the night there, and then the next day my sister came into here. If you watched day 1, my sister was in here. Could have been a problem. The brother has, the initial brother has been tested and he's negative. So we are assuming we are all okay. But that's how it travels. It's the craziest thing. We have done due diligence to stay just with family. But you know, one person steps out of the bubble or circle and off it goes, and it affects everybody. Okay. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to try and upload it tonight, even though I don't have to go to the family birthday until 7, so that gives me a couple hours. I know I need a light for the garage. If you saw the earlier part of the video, it was pretty dark. It'll be dark. I don't think I have to bring anything in tomorrow. I can bring in math books once I write that down. I'll write that down. We will talk to you maybe tomorrow. I'm sure I will. I'll video. I don't know how exciting it will be. Some of you are already back in school. It's fantastic. Anyways, we will see you soon. Take care.